Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi. So today we are doing ugly sweater nails. I had just intended for them to be sweater nails, but even though I personally like them, I still think they're not the cutest sweater nails I've ever seen. So ugly sweater nails they are. This is some cream polish that I got, that I have. That I have. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. It's from Modelones, and it's number 024, and it's in one of the collections. Honestly, I don't even know if you can still get these collections. They were on Amazon for the longest time. Look for Modelones gel polish. Maybe you'll find them. This is the collection with the flowers. I don't remember what it's called. But I'm almost out, so I had to pour it out just to be able to use it. So two of the nails are that color, the cream color. This color is the regular Modelones in the little bottles, the 10 ml bottles, I think it is. Yeah, 10 mLs. And it is number 1145. It's a real pretty brown. I got it in a set of a whole bunch of, or six, not a whole bunch, 6 colors. One of the other colors is that gold color, and it is 0517. So let's go ahead and start making the sweaters. So I did go ahead and lay down a matte top coat, which I wrote there on the screen for you guys. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with the talking, right? So now I'm coming in with some of that cream color in some dots. I'm surprised I didn't mess that up when I touched it. That's crazy. That's kind of crazy. Now I'm going to take a little tiny brush here, and I'm just going to pull a little to the side. I don't know why. It just seemed like the right thing to do, and I went with it. I don't dislike it, but again, not the prettiest of sweater nails. I still really like the 3 tones though, like having the 2 different colors being the sweater components. And they might even be cuter if I had sugared the cream parts. But all I have is glitter. None of the glitters I have are just, like the white is kind of clear with pink and green in it. So it wasn't really calling my name. So now I'm going to do the same pattern, but I'm going to do different, of course, a different color. I'm going to come down with the brown instead of the other nail was brown, so I could come down with the lines in the gold, and I could have done that here as well, but I decided to do the brown, for the lines on this one. I was kind of upset at first that I didn't get the lines perfectly straight. And honestly, I think it's just this particular polish because it's kind of thick and it's not as smooth as that gold one is. But I got over it. I'm okay with it. So on top of that non-wipe top coat, I am putting a silver chrome layer, and then we are going to come over it again with a matte top coat. And to me, that kind of gives it almost a velvety look. It's not exact, but I kind of like it. It's just got that sort of warmer feeling to it, like you're just wearing a nice pair of velvety pants or something. I have a black velvety sort of pair of leggings that I love. So now on this one, the dots, of course, will be gold. And I'm doing that same little pull to the side on the dots. I'm not sure why, honestly, I decided to do that, but it's kind of cute. I kind of like it. Kinda, right? Sometimes you like something and you don't understand the reason why, and you don't always need to. It's okay. Now, the other thing about this set is that it's a set with sweaters, but I decided to put butterflies. Some sweaters have butterflies. We're going to go ahead and mat out these nails all the way, even the sweater parts. I don't know what happened to the footage of that second nail. It's missing. I looked through everything I have. It's gone. I'm not sure why I didn't get that on camera. That's just so weird. Now these are also going to be matted out because I want that chrome to not be chrome. I want it to look kind of velvety. I'm not sure if that... Anyway, that's what it seems like to me. We're going to do that same treatment to this one cream nail that did not get the sweater treatment. We're going to go ahead and give it the velvet treatment. The velvet treatment. That's right. And then I'm going to come in and add 2 more little butterflies to this nail as well. I love these butterflies. I like the gold, and I like that the gold of these butterflies really closely matches that gold polish. So it brings the whole thing together. And I had other gold options of things to use, but I had never used these butterflies before. And I really think they're pretty. This is the finished set. I think it all works together, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is Friday's video, so we will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.